Okay, we're going to add our last two pieces here, and we got this is all set. We've got an 1 5/8 inch screw here just to help reinforce that, and we got these marked right and left. You can see we've beveled this here, sanded this down on both pieces for now. So you want to make sure you get your left on your left side because that's where you had it marked. So we're going to glue this piece down, then we'll let it set for an hour or so, then we'll stick the other side on. You just want to let it set up for a while so it doesn't slide on you when you try to add the other piece. So normally give it an hour is good. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Any suggestions? Somebody suggested using a card for this. So I just used to use my hand, my finger. But I find this works really well. And you don't get it all over your hand. Side. So we'll get this clamp down and we'll let it set for a while. Then we'll do the other side. And when you go to clamp it, you just want to clamp these two. You don't want to go through both sides because you'll split your wood out if you try that. So what you want to do is just do the one side with these two pieces. That way it won't crack on you. Put a clamp on this side. That's pretty good. So we'll finish clamping this down and set it aside, then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.